Hi, welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. If you like my videos, subscribe my channel, click on the bell icon to get notifications when I upload new videos, and share my videos among your friends and teachers. Thank you. In this video lesson, let us find the pathetic condition of a baby abandoned to the garbage bin. It is a poem which is given for the part of the syllabus for class 10 titled Abandoned. First of all, let us find the meaning of the word abandoned. Abandoned means left to something or somebody forever. Whenever you don't want something or someone, you leave them forever. That is abandoned. Such incidents we could find in our epics as well. In Mahabharatam, Kunti and Karna's story is there. In the epic Mahabharata, Kunti had given birth to a son, immature use of a chanting mantra for the sun god before getting married. Then she abandoned Karna for the force of and for the fear of the customs and traditions in those days. So we can understand that abandoning babies is not today's issue. Nowadays, we are not getting such incidents anywhere, but instead, nowadays, it's happening that killing the babies or abandoning the babies before they were being born. Somehow, it was a practice few decades ago. And let us think first, why people abandon babies? There may be many reasons behind abandoning babies. Superstition reasons are there to abandon a baby depending on the astrology. If the astrology says that the newborn baby has a bad fate to maternal uncle or his father, then some people may abandon the baby. And one more reason is illegitimate birth. If a couple unmarried and got a baby, then for the fear of the customs or traditions or the society, they will abandon the baby. Illiteracy is one more reason for abandoning babies. Immature love affairs are one more reason for abandoning babies. Poverty is one more reason for abandoning babies. If it is the reason crippledness and disabledness of the born child, it may be abandoned sometimes. One more reason is that couple are waiting for male baby, but they have been getting female baby. For their poverty and illiteracy, they could not bear the expenses to look after the newborn baby. They may abandon. But in this poem, Dr. Suraya Nasim, the poetess, worried about abandoning babies, and she had felt very sorry and pathetic about the babies abandoning. And to express her sorrow, to express her sympathy, to express her feeling, and to arouse an idea to think over the problem, she had written the poem Abandoned. The poet asked many questions. Here, let us ask ourselves few questions before going to understand the poem. Why this baby who was abandoned? Why this baby has to face abandoning? Why? Is there any reason to abandon the baby? Is it a sin the baby has done? Does this baby done anything wrong? Whose folly is this? Does the baby have to face the fate of the parents and the system? Who dared to save this baby? Isn't the baby got any right to live? Who is the reason and who got punished? Who is the responsible for this baby's destiny? And now let us try to find the poet's feelings towards a baby abandoned. In the poem, Dr. Suraya Nasim says that someone abandons a baby at a garbage bin, which is a dustbin along the road. You know that the area around a garbage bin is the home for mosquitoes, insects, bacteria and other parasites. They usually damage something. Here, poetess gives the picture of the baby become food for mosquitoes, insects, bacteria, rats and others. How pathetic condition it is for a newborn baby to become food for mosquitoes, insects, bacteria, rats and others. The poetess says that the baby's shrieks or cries in agony is not heard in the silence of the night. But when it is silent, everything will be heard. But the baby's cries are unheard because the society is not interested to come to rescue the baby, though they had heard the cries. The poetess describes the baby's physical features, mentioning cyanosed lips, sea blue nose, and fingertips, as delicate and unable to act except to cry hard. The poetess concludes that a bloody chaos ensues. That means after the baby's abandonment, a large difference of opinion is followed by what will we do with the different opinion? Is it the right time to have different opinions about the baby? Irrespective of the reasons, one must have to rescue the baby. And the poetess says that it is the sin of the infant being born, though the baby had not done anything yet in its life, and ends its life at a garbage bin. Thus, the poetess Dr. Suraya Nasim expresses her sad feelings towards abandonment of the babies. Now let me read you the poem once. Abandoned. Abandoned to the garbage bin with mosquitoes and insects eating its tiny fingers away. Little baby crying for help as foul smells comes into play, irradiating from disposed bacteria. Unheard shrieks of the baby's hysteria die in eerie silence of the night, an outcast of destiny. Its labored breath racing in quick gasps, forced lonely like a crab, with cyanosed lips, sea blue nose and fingertips. Its tattered and torn dirty wrap make it shiver in freezing grasp. A filthy black cat edges on to the hold bin, searching for easy rats, and finds its food, tearing at the babe's hair with their sharp teeth, gnawing at its ears to complete their feed. As the cat jumps in with a screeching meow, the rats let loose a clicking squeak. A bloody chaos ensues, the only sin of the infant being born. And this is all about the poem Abandoned. Thanks for watching my videos. If you like my videos, subscribe my channel, click on the bell icon to get notifications when I upload new videos. Share my videos among children who are in need and among teachers. Thank you.